Have you ever looked up at a massive skyscraper and just wondered, how on earth did they build that? These giants of glass and steel seem to touch the clouds, but their journey starts deep in the ground. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the incredible process of building a skyscraper, from a simple idea to a city icon. It all begins with a vision. An architect sketches a concept, deciding if it will be a hub for offices, a home for thousands, or a mix of both. This isn't just about drawing a pretty building. The team has to dive into complex zoning laws, check height limits, and analyze the environmental impact. Once the dream gets the green light, it's time to find the perfect spot. Location is everything. A prime site with strong economic value is chosen, but you can't just start digging. Geotechnical engineers conduct deep soil surveys to test its strength. Is it solid bedrock or soft clay? This critical information determines the type of foundation needed to support thousands of tons. With the ground understood, structural engineers take over. They design the skyscraper's skeleton, which is its most vital component. This frame has to withstand everything from its own immense weight to powerful wind forces and even potential earthquakes. They decide on the best material for the job. Will it be a classic steel frame, super strong reinforced concrete, or a modern hybrid of both? Now, the real action starts. Huge excavators dig a massive pit, sometimes hundreds of feet deep. Then, giant piles or caissons are drilled or driven down until they hit solid bedrock. These act like stilts, transferring the entire building's load to the strongest part of the earth. A massive, reinforced concrete mat is poured over them, creating a solid base for the tower. Next comes the core, the skyscraper's backbone. This central column is built first and rises ahead of the rest of the structure. It houses the essentials, elevator shafts, stairwells, and all the vertical pipes and wires for utilities. The core provides immense stability as the rest of the building grows around it. With the core climbing, it's time to erect the frame. Giant cranes, which sometimes even build themselves as the tower gets taller, lift colossal steel beams or concrete columns into place. This part moves surprisingly fast. The components are often assembled like a giant construction set, floor by floor, a repetitive cycle of lift, connect, repeat. As the frame goes up, metal decking is laid across the beams, and concrete is poured to create the solid floor of each level. While the skeleton rises, another team starts on the skin. This is the exterior façade, often made of stunning glass and metal panels. These sections, called curtain walls, are prefabricated off-site and hoisted into place. They don't just make the building look good. They provide weatherproofing, insulation, and define its architectural character. Inside this growing giant, a different kind of magic is happening. This is where the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems are installed. We're talking about miles of wiring for electricity, complex HVAC networks for heating and cooling, and a massive web of pipes for water and waste. This is also where smart building technology, like automated lighting and security, is integrated. As the main structure nears the top, interior construction kicks into high gear. Walls go up to partition the vast open floors into offices or apartments. Elevators are installed and calibrated, staircases are finished, and crucial fire safety systems are put in place. Then come the finishing touches. Flooring is laid, ceilings are installed, and lighting fixtures bring the spaces to life. Before anyone can move in, safety is the #1 priority. The entire structure undergoes rigorous inspections and stress tests. Fire suppression systems are tested over and over. Alarms are blared, and elevators are certified to be perfectly safe. Finally, after years of planning and construction, the skyscraper is complete. The exterior gets a final cleaning, the surrounding ground is beautifully landscaped, and after one last round of official inspections, the doors are open to the public. What started as a drawing is now a new, towering landmark, ready to shape the city's skyline for generations to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive.